You wanted the page or continue to the new page for 10K? Because at this point, me just fed up. Me just want to know if you want to continue to go get the page or you want to continue for the 10K page. Yes, I want it. Continue the one for 10K. Then she said, you see she confused too? Yes, I want it. Continue the one for 10K. Then she say again, you still selling your backup page for 600? Me say, yes, it's selling. I gonna stick with the one you build it to 10K. I said, okay. She said, thanks. She said, hey, I changed my name. I'm gonna take the other page if it's not sell all blood clot ready. Me tell her, said the devil. You see the devil? Boy, me tell her, said the devil know if you find eyeglass. People, you see thief? When I somebody a thief right here, you know, come use the thief pages, you know, and me can go back and share some message. When me a plan for thief people, sell people page, me is a girl who convince you to buy the page, you know. Me is a girl who convince you to buy a page and take your money back then. Be real with me, guys. The messages that me are showing so far, this look like me a force the girl to buy a page from me? Be real. Be real in yourself. If me so call you a thief, all of the messages we read so far, does this look like I am forcing this girl to purchase a page from me for me end up on thief the girl in the first place? Or this a girl that I know what she wants. She want the 10K page, now she want 600. She want the 10K page, she want the 600. Me even ask her, even when she try to disrespect me at the top, me skip the disrespect and say to her, say, okay, good morning, what you want to do? You want to continue with the big page or you want to keep the 10K page? Now she gonna say, hey, I changed my mind. I'm going to take the other page if it's not sell already. And I said to her, I said, yes. Then she said, so I'm going to just send back the 300 like how I already sent the 300 and you could take back the other page. Guys, look on this good. Make that messenger, hold on, you stop it. Guys, make that messenger steamer in your blood clot mind. I'm not even going to move. I want to read the whole message here carefully and tell me where you get out of it. Stop it. Stop. I want to read the message good and tell me where you get out of it. She said, so, I'ma just send back. So that mean, when she say I'ma send back, what that mean? Remember, you know, I already have $300 for her, you know. Remember, you know, I already have $300 for her from the first page where she didn't want for bill for the 10K. She couldn't get back that $300 there. So even if she never did want the big page, she still couldn't get back a whole 300K because I already created the page. The page already there about 2,000, I got 3,000. So I would have only give her 150. But tell her, say, I would give you 150 and I will keep the other one because I already start the process. I already start the process of building the page. She said to me, so this have to show you some said but the girl did the $300, you know. So basically I'm gonna have $600 for her. The first 300 plus the 300 where she sent out of my blood clot. She had to really confirm with me and send 300. But send it back to her. She said, hey, don't make me slap you. Bill. She said, so I'ma send back the 300 like how I already sent the 300 and you could take back the other page. That's the one that did already start for billing, you know. So I said, gotcha. Okay, sending now. Stop. She said, okay, sending now. 1 minute, my blood blows. She said, okay. Send. Wait there. Okay, sending now. I said, okay, the other page. She said, which one? I said, okay, the other page was that 1K so far. I'ma just give it to someone who I'ma just give it to someone who you was gonna make it. So basically right now, so I said to her, say the page don't reach 1K already where she did at the 10K page, you know, when me sell her for the 300. So like when me don't have the $300 already and she want the page to the 600, I would have gear that the page because I would have lose if me gear that the page plus gear my page, my bigger page. It's a page where me depend now. So me basically let's say to her, say the page I already start when me go get to 10K, like how you go buy the bigger page, me I go just sell somebody this a page. Remember so she didn't have her email page, she should have to take off her email in order for me can sell somebody back the page and figure the big page. She said yes. So I said, okay, so give me the code, comes to your email. The other one already make it at reach 1K already. So I ask her for the code back for the page when it already there 1K. Because I don't have her information, them like to her password or whatever. And it's a one-time code sent to her. She sent me that. She said, I did change the email because I was using my fiance as he said he don't want me using his email. Now you play mind game because why would you give me an email and me have to log in your page daily for go up on the page for blood clot get the page to 10K, but then as soon as me in the page I grow the page, you go ahead and change the email. So basically you have up in your intention, maybe a thief, you want thief the page, so it's like you want use some type of blood clot craft. You change up everything while me in the page, I try to build the page for you. Anyway, I'm not really make that be a deal, you know. I say, alright then, play, they do it laugh, whatever. She said, huh, like a mistake me did me can't say that. Me myself don't know what that me right. Then me reply to her and say, when she says, so I'ma send the 300 but me reply to it and say, oh, you asking me if you can use another email? Sorry, guys, me all I get blood clot confused. This girl I confused me, so me not even know if watch her. Me say, oh, you're asking me if you can use another email? Sorry. No, was talking for the account you did for 1K. I changed the email on it. You changed the email without me even finish making the page for you. Then Mr. Torres said, oh, because you said you wanted the 90K page and I was about to get someone to 1K. I just give them it. If you don't want the page, I still have a 1K can continue to the 10K if it's on. So me I basically make sure I still have one next 1K page. So even if I don't want the 600, I still let the one there ready. I still have a 1K. So you don't have nothing to worry about. I still have a page can pick up back from where me I come from. You understand? Then she said, no, I want it. No, I want it. Is it your backup page you're selling right now? The email I sent you is the page that you make. Go for 1K. You send the code to. I say, hey, what's up? Me say, what was the name of your page? I want to go live on it so I can keep track. I get a bit blood clot fused. Watch out. Me say, what was the name of your page? I want to go live on it so I can keep track. I get a bit confused. You said you wanted me to continue, then you said you wanted the backup page. Come on now. This a girl I can't tell me say she don't know what she do. You see some people in her life, them come and they would have spent any blood clot money for tarnish you. Me see people do it already. Me see me and people that on live every Sunday. I try get help for the people them when I have no money. And after the people them send them $100 and them $200. And after me don't cash out that and send it to the people them in need, PayPal. Me witness the people them come back and report it to PayPal. Say them send them money for something and them don't get it. And me have a blood clot pay back all of them people them their money. Why you think me not help people on Sunday again? So you can't tell me so you not pay your money if you come fuck blood clot me over. Because what all of this a confusion you for a page. Is either you buy a page, girl, or is either you just want the page to go 10K. But tell her some blood clot confused and I don't know what the fuck she talk about, you know. She said, let me look. Ivany, aka Lexi. Yes, I did said so. But you was busy, so I changed my mind. I did want it. I thought you was serious with the page. I saw you posting more page selling. Mr. Oh no, I told you yes, was gonna sell. But because you already had info, was waiting, didn't see you send. She can't send the money now then. You not send the blood clot money. My live I get flagged for personal information. You know see what me say? She not send, you not send the blood clot money you want pay at the same time. Mr. Torres say, oh no, I told you yes, was gonna sell, but because you already had info, Richie already have my information, was waiting, didn't see you send. So you wait for me to give you my page and you know blood clot send the $300 upon the other $300 we forget the blood clot page. So then no, another man report it man at TikTok. You can't show certain something on the live, you know. Then she said, for real, here for real. So I said, no, it's the same page, just haven't sold because some people wanna drop my price. No, Ice, behave yourself. I mean, I want to meet you. Here, chill. What me know? I said, no, it's the same page. No, it's the same page, just haven't sell because some people want to drop my price. Nah. The rest are 1K pages for monetization. Guys, remember every day when you see me come on live and I tell them to get that page to 1K and then the page I get monetized and sell people. Then she say, understand, but still have the 300, but you raise it to 700 now. Because I have 600 and when the page did 98 followers, I did sell it for $600 dollar, you know. But my page end up get 100K. So if my page the 100K now, why the fuck me go sell the page for 600? No, me gonna sell the page for $700. Me gonna put up the price on it. So me said no, I show it got 100K laugh out loud, but can still sell you. Would it be easy for you to activate and monetize? It may say would that be easy for you already to come? I already monetize on it. And to me and I been a text about it already. Me I say alright, it's a fair for just sell her for the 600. And I like she has strange. She said she pay her money for 10K already. Me and her have a conversation. Then she said okay, so I'll send the 300 now. Then I'ma log off the page. You make 1K. Alright, then she say you're serious for real. Here all them blood clot thing, yeah. What kind of business blood clot? Guys, me not even did I read through my message. I just realize that this a girl mad. When you gonna ask me if me serious for real? What you mean if me serious for real? What you ask me say? You just say you're gonna log out of the page, then you're gonna send the 300, then you're gonna say you're serious for real. Before I send it, I want to know how long it's gonna take to the page if you're being serious to sell me. Me say I would delete the stuff off it ASAP and give it to you. Okay. She probably scared. Then listen to me. You don't make me have a block on the blood clot. Don't make me have to block you. If you scared of sending your money to somebody, are you going to send your money? Be real. If I have a tingling feeling about paying for something, I'm not paying for it. I'm not pay for it. And then she gonna say she don't know who me is. You don't know who me is, so how the fuck you watch out my story? So you just randomly watch my story and just randomly see somebody sell one page and just text them for buy a page, girl? Make it make sense. You say you don't know me, you never hear about Ivany. So you just randomly watch my page, just so. And sister me I sell one page, and you just want to buy it just so. But now you're scared. Why you scared of? Oh, you know you hear about Ivany thief, so why you continue in a money blood clot wars with me or promotion or anything like this? Anyways, me said then you'll have to send me your email or number, or you can do that yourself. Cause I don't use the email on it, only was created for the page. Alright, stop it, bro. I'ma send the 300 now. I already removed my email from the 1K you bill. Then she says sent. Watch. No, guys, I don't have to laugh. Look at the emoji where girl said. Nobody. Yo, the blood. No, sometimes, guys, yo, me I tell you say I never see them stop me. Me just agree that go through. Now that me sit down and read, it is so funny, bro. What the fuck? Mama, Mama send the money. Mama just send. Then Mama say I'll do it now. Thank you. Remember me the live to one thing, you know. Me not stuck and wait for you to send me. When we come in, we check. She said this emoji. Yeah. No, this funny. Me not feel like me not laugh half far. But you really have to take bad things, make joke for true. So she say, hey, stop, good morning. I'ma get the page. So I say, hey, pretty, let me check myself. Okay. Full stop. Hey, why is it taking so long though? You said you was gonna check and didn't reach back. Shake my head. Then she start write paragraph now. No, me never laugh off of she, me I laugh off of the emoji. Hey, it seemed like a joke to be honest. You forgot all about me. I don't like this at all. If you're not selling the page, just be honest. I don't like being being played. Just send me back my 450, as you did mention you won't go no further with the page with the 1k to 10k, and will send back my 150 out of the 300. Then I sent another 300, 2 transactions, you know. I sent another 300. I am not gonna feel like I have to beg for something that I pay for and no communication, which is totally understandable. That's totally insane. And I work hard and give you my money, willing and trust you to live up to your words. You said ASAP and no communications after, which is understandable. Can you send back my 450? This made no sense. I have to be begging for something you selling and I'm paid for, and you're not communicating at all, like it's a go around thing. I don't like that. I like to get what I pay for and be over with. I don't like the waiting and being played. If you're not selling, just be honest, than making my money and having me waiting these days. That's crazy. I know it's not hard. Shape me in. Alright. Somebody left her a message and I said, good day. There's no money came in, that's why. There's no money came in, that's why. Okay. Didn't even text you back cause no money came in. What? I have thousands of messages and people dealing with, and if you watch my live, you'll see every day I get pages for people. Every day I get pages for people. You think I can reply to you every 1 second with a confusing self too? Every 1 second I have other people, and I do have policy all over my platform with a no fucking refund. Go up on my Instagram page right now and looking at my highlights. Go up on my TikTok. I have a no refund policy. Me don't tell her up forward say you can't get a full refund, but I can give you 150. You're not gonna get all back the money. You can get the 150, which me and her already agreed to. Then I say I get to work. That come from with me saying I get to work. Then this is what she said. I sent the money. It was sent to you and the same Zelle you sent me, so I know I sent it and it was removed from my account. I know this is what you was gonna come with. Here all them suck me, guys. Remember say this woman said she sent transaction 3 times. Pause. With all the conversation that you have seen, before we go through this, with all the conversation you saw from the first place, don't make me slap you. Hold on. All this man on top of nice. With all the transaction, with all the conversation that we had in the first place, didn't this girl send me 300? And I told her that it was received. I'm going to start the process now. Let's be fucking real, bro. Didn't this bitch at the top where she sent it and I said receive and I'm going to start the process now? Then she said she sent this a 1 year, which mean a blood clots to the rest of them come. And the bitch gonna say, I know it was gonna come. I work hard for my money and it wasn't easy to send all my money. I trust you and thought it was going. Get the page. I know you're telling me get no page. Listen, I'm not gonna take that lightly. I work hard for my money and I know that I sent the blood clot money. Fine. Then she go continue now. Yeah, so basically, remember the first page I was gonna go to 10k, what she did forget. Remember, she made me waste my time and build the page already, you know, right? She made me waste my time and build the page already. So she could have blood clot get back fucking $300 after you make me come from my life and I beg forget blood clot followers. Remember, in the first page it done say me will give her back 150 out of the 350 and she fucking agreed. You understand? She fucking agreed that yeah, you could give me back 150 because you already make it and you already promote it. Fine. Then this bitch go write one long paragraph now. Listen. I'm gonna send my money 450. Now she want back all of the blood clot money. She want 450 now, you know. She want 4 blood clot 50. Cause I have proven I call my bank and they say money sent 3 times, you receive it and send it back 1 time. I don't play about my money, I work hard for that shit. Send you the first time April 21st, 2024 for a 1K page. You said you wasn't gonna do no more to the 10K. You said it gonna send back my 150. You didn't. Furthermore, I could miss a blood clot girl we should have talked about in the Snapchat when in a cap, we call it cash up. After the cash up this what she had talked about when I post about over cash up this sent to me. So at this point this bitch shall get me really confused with everything I go on. She write this paragraph now and say I sent 300 for 600 page. You was gonna sell me and keep 100 page and you wasn't communicating and I had back my for my money still have 150 out of 300. It was for 1K. And which was a 1K, didn't want to go further with that. I said you're gonna give me back for 150 and that was my deal. Then somehow you asked me again and me asked her, guys, this bitch say I asked her in the first fucking messages. Wasn't this girl the one who is keep on a talk about she want it? Then she be like, no, she don't want it. Then she say yes, she want it. Where was I ever telling this girl to purchase any fucking thing? Where? Listen, why the fuck am I going to sit down telling this bitch to purchase? You don't think I have money to make elsewhere? Girl, I have a fucking side hustle that literally will pay me $5,000 an hour. $10,000 an hour. May I make money in a real life? I am making money in real fucking life. Your 600 is nothing to me. Why me need for teeth your blood clot $600? Y'all gonna tell me no say. Y'all got blood clot tell me no say. Tell me I have 150 for you all know, you know. You tell nobody say me have 150 for you all know, you know. All I talk about is this blood clot 600 and 300. You still not tell me. You still not even talk about this. Then you said I'm gonna go with the 10K page. I changed my mind and reached back out to get the 600 and I sent back my 300 because you said you will sell me ASAP and you come telling me you don't get my money. Sometimes I make bad things make joke. Here now, I'm dead serious, not taking this lightly. You talking about refund policy. I am dead ass going to report you for my money because me work hard for it. Then she say hard for it. You told me you giving me back 150 out of my 300 first time I sent my money. You said you wasn't going forward with that page and I sent back more money for just for the page you selling for 600 and you come tell me madness like me an idiot. Come like me dream never go wrong. God always show me things and this is a disgrace. God don't like ugly. Girl, a God alone can tell me say you never plan for this and know exactly what you do. So all of a sudden now God dig your dream say you need to buy nothing from me but you still buy something from me? Me just not understand that girl yeah. So God dig you one dream and tell you say you need to buy nothing from me and you had this dream all along but yet still you still come. You set up. Your blood clot set up. Notice how every time somebody argue with me, it's everything about immigration. Y'all want to fucking get me deported so fucking bad. Because do my body, I don't want immigration hold me at airport. Immigration see me and let me through. That still wasn't enough. When you set me up with my baby father for me say some things on the internet, him try to report me, it still wasn't enough. So now, you come for blood clot try set me up by sending money and I want to take back money and all these things so that you can have all these fucking proof just to go to police station. You hear the first thing, wait up on the man life, means that immigrant, them have to deport me. So basically your aim is not about page. Your aim is all about deportation. Because on the wicked like that, me hear up on the man life today talk about me is an immigrant and them have to lock me up and deport me. So that's your aim. And that's your blood clot aim. Anyways, I have all the proof I need. I have the proof I need. I need and my whatever I want back money never lie in my account. Have my proof. I will do what I have to do from here the legal way. This is scamming and taking people money and lie that you didn't get it when your name came up. So you're going to tell me something I get the money in my account, eh? You're going me for call it before me call it a lash, you call it a blood. Hey girl, let me block you from my page. So you're going to tell me that you send money and me I tell you say the money no come and you tell me say a blood clot like me I tell you say the money no blood clot come. You tell me about send back my tree. First time you send back my, you see, show me proof of the first time you send back 300, then text me telling me you was gonna send it back. I screenshot all my messages and cause I'm not playing with my money. Alright. I said to her, say, after me don't read all of them what she sent me, you know, I'm gonna read through all of this. I said to her, say, so girl, you think I can't call my, I'm supposed to say bank. And guys, I want to make fear be fear. Tell me if I was being disrespectful at any point. Everything that y'all read, tell me if me ever did try for this that girl at any time. The disrespect when she said me disrespect her. I said to her, say, girl, so you think I can't call my bank? If my bank said the money not in the account yet and call back to see the fuck I'm supposed to do. My policy on my page state no refund. When the money come, you get the page. If you want to take the legal way, then go. Because I can call my bank in front police. I can also show them my policy on my page. So you can go the legal way. It's final. I have no problem. Where in a this me at this you or have anything disrespectful to say to you? No, I'm gonna block you. If you want to send back $600, we ain't gonna blood clot send her back. Anybody will worry about the money send her back then. It's send the money. It's like I try to say, it's send the money sent back. Move out of my bank. I don't like this at all. I don't like people playing with me. Mr. Torres say, you sound so stupid of me did one thief your girl. You think me would have sent back the 300. So me make sure you know say, you sound so stupid. If me didn't really want blood clot thief you know. Guys, remember this, you know, look on this. And that's why I said that the people that on the live never have no sense. Remember she did send me $300 already for the 10K page. And then she go ahead and send me the $300. So basically I had 600, right? The $600 reflect in my account. She sent me $300 first for the 10K page. Then she sent me the $300 again, but I didn't know it was her. I thought it was somebody else from Instagram. Before me ever send her back $300, you don't think me that been thief that $600 per spot? Be real. You said $300 first for the 10K page. Then you went behind my back. You went behind my back and sent $300 again. I didn't know it was you. But since that money, it automatically add up to $6 bill in a mixed chase account. You don't think, say, me could have did thief that $600, they block you and delete it and move on with my life. I sent it back. Me could have did gone with that $600. Me send back your 3 bills. Because me I say me don't want to sell person 2 pay that going to cause confusion. Me I go send back your 3 bills. Me send back the 3 bills. So what is the fucking problem? You go tell me say me a scam you. Then she go tell me say, I work hard for my money. I have proof. I call, they say it's send and receive. That's the first time that show you my money was sent 3 times. You send back 1 time. When she told me say her money send blood clot 3 times. Then tell me something now. And this will show you say you as a Jamaican girl, me not play with you. And this for sure you say the person where you show me that hooligan girl of you gonna send somebody $300 3 fucking time and you not get back one of them? Oh, so stupid and dunce. Guys, be real. As a blood clot Jamaican, you send $300 one time for your 10K page, right? Then you send a next $300 again. And the $300 so-called never returned back. Are you go send the next $300 again? You send $300 first. You send the next $300 again. You don't get back your money. Are you go send $300 blood clot again? Who you think you're a fool, girl? Who you think you're a fool? Then you go say 3 times and you send back 1 time. So to her say, from that day you send money would have gone Like me that say from that day you send the money would have gone. I got you confused with a girl thinking the other person paid for the page when it was you. And I sent back the 300. People like Uno, Bumbo Clot, read this to me now. Read blood clot this to me now. My girl, let me tell you something. The more the blood clot fight, me don't gonna come by the internet and the stronger. Me see more that you come off of me and it the blood clot work. Me see one girl come tell lie. Me see one girl come on my page one day. Come send me over 1,000 whale. And after she send me the 1,000 whale, the girl turn on her life say me hack in her account. You remember that live there, guys? When me and Destiny them I did friend? When me and Desmond used to be friend? And one blood clot girl come send me, shower me with me a blood clot wheel. And cause history on the blood clot app. Send me hack her account. So the prove ya, girl, I said to her, I said, from the day you send me that money would have gone. I got confused. And your blood clot confused me. I got confused with a girl thinking the other person paid for the pages when it was you send. I sent back. See there? When you read good, let me zoom it up. I sent back the 300. People like Uno are wicked. One thing, if me did want your money, you couldn't get that $300 back. The money haven't popped up in my account. Call your bank, tell them dispute. It's simple. I'll know me the which part me ever. Girl, show me one message right now when me at this yo. Can you say me in your DM I laugh off of you and something? Me try for me so nice from the get-go till now. When me where me I disrespect you, where me I laugh off of you. Where me at this where me I laugh off of you when you low key a low key shade than at this. You say now say number one. You can't lie. I have the proof. You didn't tell me no policy. You said send in back my 150 and you didn't. Then convince me. Here you convince. Here you convince. You convince me to pay the other page to send back my 300. Guys, be real. If anybody upon the live from the start show the screenshot them. Would you ever see one message where me convince the girl if you buy a page? Oh God, be real, man. As much as though you don't like me, fix the screen. My screen crack. Let me zoom it up. So probably can see better. As much as though you don't like me, be really down yourself. You don't ever be really down yourself. From the message start show till now. You ever see me convince this girl to buy the page? Me no come to a conclusion when me say to the girl, say, my girl, what you don't know? You want to buy the $600 page or you want me continue? Which one is it? Where me convinced? Now you on and off about what you want. Today you want this, tomorrow you want this. Today you want this, tomorrow you want this. Every second is something different with you. Then now you're going to say, my bank say if they dispute it, your Zelle will be linked as scam regarding the payment because it's an authorized payment from Zelle. They said you will be restricted from Zelle. The contact, they saw your name information and email attached to the Zelle and also saw you receive it and you have a Chase account. They said you will be restricted for fraudulent activity and they said you have to have seen it in your activity and it's sent within a second. Mr. Torres say, let me ask you a question. When you're making an appointment, Mr. Torres say, when you're making an appointment, do they send you the policy about refund?